My name's Tammy Simon. I'm the founder of Sounds True, and in my experience, and I think this is true for many of us, learning to be gentle and kind towards ourselves is some of the most important, challenging, and transformative work that we can ever do. It not only changes us, it changes everyone with whom we come into contact. I'm so thrilled to invite you to join Sounds True for the Self-Acceptance Summit. We'll be learning from some of the brightest lights and most inspirational teachers and writers in the world today, including Elizabeth Gilbert, Annie Lamott, Parker Palmer, Tara Brach, Iyanla Van Zant, Carolyn Mace, Kristin Neff, Marianne Williamson, Adyashanti, Martha Beck, and more than 20 other presenters. We'll learn how to tend and befriend ourselves, even when confronted with difficult emotional experiences. And we'll explore some of the deepest concerns and questions people have when it comes to the challenge of self-acceptance, including how to accept the parts of ourselves that we just don't like, how to work effectively with the inner critic and even appreciate its protective function, how to deal with shame and recognize it as a universal human experience, and how, in accepting ourselves just as we are, we become more willing to take risks.